Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of April, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a hold accumulate, giving it a score of -0.51. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this time. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations with a gain of 33.16% since we first recommended buying MicroStrategy Incorporated 29 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.14% per day since it was listed as hold accumulate. This stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The analysis of the current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 60% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from just over 28% to about 76%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of over 82%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between just over 24% to nearly 179% over the coming year. This translates to a future price likely falling between $496 and $1,113. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The stock price of MicroStrategy Incorporated experienced a decline of 0.8% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025. It dropped from $402.69 to $399.46. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.87%, reaching a low of $398.91 and a high of $426.32. This price movement has been quite variable over this period, with a total loss of 3.6% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last day, alongside the stock price, which is a positive indication, as volume typically follows stock trends. On that day, trading volume fell by 2 million shares, with a total of 16 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $6.56 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $543, while the lowest was $102.40. Currently, the price is 26.43%, or $143.54, below the 52-week high of $543, which is also the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy Incorporated has been in the spotlight recently due to several significant developments that may impact its stock price both in the short and long term. Today, Universal Digital Incorporated announced a partnership with Long Point Asset Management to launch 2 new leveraged exchange-traded funds, including one aimed at providing twice the daily performance of MicroStrategy. The MSTR ETF could enhance trading volume and interest in MicroStrategy, potentially driving up its stock price as investors seek exposure to cryptocurrency through ETFs. However, this positive development is countered by multiple class action lawsuits filed against MicroStrategy and its executives. These lawsuits allege securities fraud during the previous year, prompting a wave of legal challenges. As investors become aware of these lawsuits, there may be heightened concern and volatility surrounding MicroStrategy's stock, leading to short-term bearish sentiment. The combination of increased investor interest from the new ETF and the negative implications of the lawsuits creates a complex scenario. In the short term, volatility could be expected as investors react to news and legal developments. In the long term, if MicroStrategy can navigate these legal hurdles successfully while leveraging the growing cryptocurrency trend, it may see stabilization and potential growth in its stock price. However, the outcome of the lawsuits poses a significant risk that investors will need to consider. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned MSTR a buy rating along with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald rated MSTR as a hold with a corresponding hold action. Still on that date, Barclays also gave MSTR a hold rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS assigned MSTR a buy rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, BTIG rated MSTR with a buy and a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. MicroStrategy Incorporated stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. In contrast, a buy signal is indicated by the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is situated above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should this stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $406.58. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $357.19. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may affect short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and thus far, the stock has dropped by 5.25%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 62 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 27 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 32 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $343.03 and $308.55. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline towards the next support. In this scenario, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $343.03. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $308.55 and $304.11. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $27.41 between its high and low, which is a change of 6.87%. During the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.39%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels from MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 12 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $402.69. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $343.03. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Kang Andrew, who bought and sold 18,138 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 2.975. In total, insiders purchased 279,242 shares and sold 291,823 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $378.18, reflecting a decline of 5.33%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated holds several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy candidate at this time. Instead, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain or accumulate their positions while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 23rd of May, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will open higher by $8.77, starting at $408.23. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at StockInvest.